So it's not just only by their viewers location. It was because they were also talking about YouTube, how much I made, money. So they were like, oh, perfect. So that's why it was like $9. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we are going to be talking about 4 things that affect your YouTube revenue. Let's dive right into the video. First thing first, your viewers location. That thing is very paramount. I'll give you an example. I saw a YouTuber that had 19k views on their video in less than a week, right? I'm going to comparing that particular video with my viral video. My viral video as at now has 19k views, right? And person now made the analysis of what they've gotten for 19k views, and they've gotten over $70. So for me that also have 19k views, but I got mine in like a span of 2 3 weeks, I've just gotten only $24. Can you see the difference? $71 and me $24. And then I realized, because the person did an analysis, right? It was because of my viewers location. My viewers location is majorly Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, I think Kenya, and then USA is like 5.2%. For the person, their viewers location is majorly from US. So the CPM, that's the money advertisers are willing to pay, was $9. If YouTube is taking like $5, because YouTube took $5, she had as RPM was $4, and then she was able to make $71 for that 19k views. For mine, my CPM, how much advertisers are willing to pay, was $3. YouTube took $2, and then I was left with $1 for my RPM. $1 times 19k views, that was amounting to $24. Do you get what I'm saying? So your viewers location is very important, and I don't know how one can do it. If you do, please drop it in the comments. But I don't know how one can do it to make sure your videos is getting to viewers in Norway, US, and the likes. That's places where they get high CPM. But I don't know if at the long run your tax is going to be like, a lot, because the person was like, majority of his viewers are from US. So when they sent his payment at the end of the month, it was way less than what he saw in his desktop or in his studio. And I'm like, why is that? It was like, because when I think he got like $300 or something, but when it was sent to him, it was like 150 or one something. It was way less. It was less than expected, because taxes for US viewers was removed. And I'm like, eh? But I don't know if the tax of your viewers affect your money at the long run, because I don't think I'll be happy if I make $71, and then because of majority of my viewers are from US, they are removing the taxes, and then they are removing almost 50 something, and they're giving me 20 something. I'll cry. I'll rather my viewers are from Nigeria or any other country, and I'm getting exactly what I'm supposed to get, because the tax is going to be very less. And why I know it's going to be very less is when I got my first payment, it was $100, right? It was $100 and some money, and then I got $98 because $7 was removed for tax. I'm like, oh, that's fine. I've said a whole lot of things about this, but this is what I've noticed. If you know anything about this, just drop it in your comment down below. Thank you. So the next one is the views you get. Your viewers are from US or from a country where advertisers are willing to pay more, right? And then you are getting 1k views. If it's that they are willing to pay $9, and then your RPM is $4, that's 4 times 1, that's like $4. It will not pay you, right? Because the more your views, the more money you get, regardless of the RPM or the CPM. So the views you get play a long role in your revenue. So the next one is the engagement you get from your video. And that is, your membership, your super chats you can get from your viewers. So if you're making dollars, small dollars from your normal video, adding something to it is going to push it, right? And that is your membership. You have to create a membership. I did that and I got my first member, like a loyal audience. And I'm so happy because that is like a form of payment. It's like they are alleging payment to you that, oh, I trust you and I trust what you're doing. So take my money. I made a viewers. And then you have to do some things for them. Oh, you have to prioritize their comments, or you share behind the scene. It depends. There are levels to it, or they see the videos before anyone sees it. That's for membership. And then there's super chats where your audience can thank you by sending money to you, that, oh, I enjoyed this video, thank you. Oh, you've been doing a lot of good job, thank you. Oh, you've been amazing, thank you. So all those money gathered together will be added to your revenue, thus enhancing your revenue. If you don't have that, it will affect your revenue. Definitely, it does, because people actually use that to boost their revenue. But honestly, those things, those engagements boils down to loyal or people who are willing to pay, because that's to be someone willing to drop their money. It's not something you come by easily, but it does help and it does affect your revenue. The last but not the least is your niche, and your niche is what makes advertiser see your video as worthwhile and wanting to pay more, even if your viewers location play a paramount role. Your niche also plays a paramount role. So if you're talking about money, and your viewers is in the US, or majority of your viewers in the US, oh my goodness, sweet money. Because I think that would happen to that person that got 19K views. So it's not just only by their viewers location. It was because they were also talking about YouTube or money making, whatever, or something. You get how much I made, money. So they were like, oh, perfect. So that's why it was like $9. My own, I have viewers, I have audience in the US, right? But it was like 5.2%. And I was talking about how to make money. But because my audience low, that was why it was like $3. I don't know if you get it. Both of them work hand in hand. So your niche is very important. And in my video that went viral, just look at all my video and look at, oh, which one has eye view? And that's my viral video. Just tap on it and you see me talking about the niches that you can go into to make more money on YouTube. It helps, right? Or you can go on your Google and search for it. Or what are the niches that pay more on YouTube? Or what are the 10 niches that pay more on YouTube? Or what are the 10 niches on YouTube? And search for it. So these are the 4 things, and there are more, right? But these are the like paramount one that you need to put into consideration when you are talking or thinking of your YouTube revenue. If you are seeing that, oh, my video is no, I'm not making money, then you have to do all those things. You have to think about all those things. It's something I'm still working on. It's not like I've already perfected it, but I figured it and I'm like, oh, let me just put it out for people to also know about it, and then we can grow together, because who doesn't want to grow with people? We want people to also win. I want you guys to win, and I also want to win. So let's win together. So I hope you're able to learn a lot from this. Thank you so much for getting to this point of the video. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to get notified when next I post any new video. And see you guys in my next video.